Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have two service calls. We have a system that is not cooling. It turned on, it kicked on, I heard it, but it's just not running. We were out here 2 years ago and we found that the belt was broken. So I'm assuming that might be the issue again, because they don't have us do the maintenance. Someone else does the maintenance. So we don't know if they replaced the belts or not. But let's go up there. I have my tool bag, my gauges with me, and let's get started. And then after this call, we have a service call at that spot where where all the mini splits on the roof are corroded by the ocean. So let's take care of this one first. That's what I thought. Look at this. 2 years without maintenance. This is what happens. Let's go ahead and turn the unit off. Alright, so we have a new one here. What is this? 836. Which one is this? 836. Like I said, I don't know if they ever do maintenance. I don't know when was the last time they did maintenance. But we were out here 2 years ago. Look at that. Tension's good. Being honest, it's not tight. It's not loose. Let's just check the cap. Might as well. We're already out here. Discharge it. And now you don't gotta take all the leads off. Do we have a bad cap? Let's see. Now I'm really gonna take the whole thing out. What is this supposed to be? A 15 plus or minus 6%. $13.83. $15, right? 15 minus 14.1. So we're definitely out of spec. Now that we're here, I'm also going to check all the pressures, check the cap. If we have one over here on this side in here, most likely we do. Might as well just check it now, so that way I can just do one full trip. Oh man. This contactor looks pretty bad too. Doesn't look to be in ideal conditions. That contactor, I want to check that guy. Not these. Let's see. Remove just this one. And then we'll also remove this one. Supply meter. Crazy. 4.8, so this is gonna be a 5, so we're good still. So let's go get let me see something real quick. That is plus or minus 6%. Okay. So let's do the math. So we got 4.8 out of it. 4.7. Let's replace it too. Might as well. Just cause we're almost there and it's literally at the threshold. So contactor's bad, and this contactor is on the verge of being bad. That contactor does not seem pretty good. Motor looks alright still, belt is brand new, so let me try to call the property manager, see if they want to go ahead with the repair today for the 2 capacitors in the contactor. Might as well just get them started with fresh contactor and capacitors. But let me give them a quick phone call and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we got no answer, so we're just gonna put the quote in for 2 capacitors, 2 caps, 1 contactor, and an extra pair of belts just so we can have them in here, because like I said, they don't do any maintenance here. So we're gonna try to at least set it up so when either if someone else comes out for a service call later on or a maintenance, they at least have some belts here. But yeah, but let's go ahead and put this unit back together, and then we should be good to go. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the unit on, and just to make sure that the unit is running even with the bad caps. Because my thing is that even if the motor was running, the compressor should have at least tried to kick on. But that wasn't the case. And where did I leave the other screw? Did I drop it somewhere? Oh, it's right here. So let's see. Okay, just give it power. There we go. Belt's turning, compressor turned on, contactor pulled in. Cool. So let's go ahead and put the unit back together, and then we'll head over to the next service call. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and get down. We'll go talk to the people on the inside, make sure that we're cooling, check out the unit is cooling on the indoors, and then we should be good to go. I'll see you guys in a bit.